Give our Windows 11 taskbar and start menu a whole new look with easy customization. Check my video description for this download link. Once download done, install the WinHawk like a normal application. Once installed done, open the WinHawk, go to Explore, select the details in taskbar height and icon size, and select install option. Once this installation done, go to settings. Wait for this to done. In icon size, change this to 27 and scroll down taskbar button width. Set this to 45. Taskbar height, change this to 56 and click on save settings. Once you done this, just go back to explore, select the detail option in start menu styler and select install and select accept option. Go to advanced and wait for the installation done. Once done, find this codes. Open the codes folder and double click on the start menu styler text. Copy the code and minimize this. Under mod setting, paste the code in here and select the save option. Now select load. Go to start menu. It successfully loads. Go back to WinHawk. Go to explore. Now select the taskbar styler. Select details. Select install option. Accept. And once installation done, go to advanced. Go back to codes. Now open this taskbar styler code. Copy all this. Paste it in mod settings. Select save option. Everything is done. When you go to start menu, it shows a clean desktop. So one thing we are missing is set as background this wallpaper, and that's it. Clean desktop look. You can hide the desktop wall icons, and I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.